welcome to Thousand Cents Online. My name is Ashley, and today is another Fempreneur series video. So today, this may be episode 12, 13, 14. I'm not sure. I'm losing count, y'all, if you haven't noticed. But today I want to show you all some of the gift sets that I'm going to be making. I don't have all the products for them yet. I'm still waiting on the major component, but I'm just going to basically doing like a get ready with me with my gift sets. I'm going to be just getting the boxes ready. I've already gotten quite a few of them ready for the products, and then once I get the products in, I'll put in also how I made them look in the end. But I'm gonna get some of the boxes out right now. They come flat. Like I say, I've already done most of them. I only have a few left. But this is how they look when they first come. And then I have stuff I put on the inside, which I'm going to leave in this bag and just pull it out of this bag. Well, no, I'll go ahead and get some of it out. But basically, this, the shred, and then this. Okay, so go ahead and take that out. And you can get, wait a minute, actually, where did I get these from? I was about to say Walmart, but no. It's either Walmart, maybe it's Walmart for one. I don't know. I might have got both of them from Walmart, or either check out Michael's, I think, or Hobby Lobby. One of those I went to. Wait a minute, I think I went on a Sunday or a Monday or something, and one of those stores is closed. Hobby Lobby's is closed on whatever day, I think. So I think I just went to Michael's. But yeah, just bend them like that. Bend them on the lines. Got one side of the box put together. Okay, and then also, I need some of my thank you cards. So I'm actually going to put that in first. I'm going to put it with the back facing out. You won't be able to see the front once I put the products in there. When you take the products out, you'll be able to see the front of the card. Okay, I'm going to put some of the paper shred in there. With some of the gold and silver shred. If you can't tell by now, like if you follow me on Instagram, Facebook, watch any of my videos in the Fempreneur series, or even go to my website, if you can't tell, my colors are gold, silver, white, black for my brand. It's my brand colors. Okay, so I'm going to have some in there. Depending on when I get the product, I don't know how much. I may have to add more in each one, depending on when I get the last product that I'm going to be putting in here, so that I can see how everything's going to be looking. But yeah. Then you close this on up. And there you go. This is what the gift sets will be coming in. So I'm gonna do the rest of these. Ow. You have to be careful with these, boy. They will stab you. This is a stiff plastic, and depending on where you touch, it can be sharp. So be careful if you do get these. And I went ahead and just took it out and put it on the desk and put it in there so it wouldn't make as much noise trying to get it out of the bag. But when I did the other ones, I just left it in the bag. Less of a mess, less of a cleanup, you know. But for the sake of this video, I went ahead and took it out. Alrighty, these are the most difficult to put in because they're not like crinkled and the static cling to the plastic. Makes them not want to go in as easy. That's the shred. Okay. Ugh, before it gets on my nerves. Basically need to bend that so it'll cooperate, function the way that you want it to. Another one made. I think I only have like 4 or 5 that I had to make left. Out of the ones that I've already made. I sat up and did them and watched while I was watching Family Reunion, the Christmas episode. Did I do them all during that? Yeah. I was going to say, I think I might have watched something else too. I might have when I first started. I was watching something else, but I know the bulk of it I was watching. Family Reunion, the Christmas episode. Did y'all watch that? It's like, I love my girl on there from When Exhale. I cannot think of her name right now. But the one who said, "Is he watching me walk away?" This one want to be really resistant to me now. This is the first one that done been just really resistant to me out of all of them I've done. It's playing with me too much. I don't like it. Okay, there's another one done. Y'all comment your businesses below if you have a business and tell me if you have anything going on for Christmas, like a little gift set or something. Anything special you got going on for Christmas with your business. And yeah, I want to know. And if you want to know about my business cards, I got them from Vistaprint. I talked about it in a video on how to make your own graphics in this Fempreneur series. So definitely check that out. Did I say business cards or thank you cards? These are my thank you cards. I can't remember what I said, but that's what I meant. I mean, business cards on Vistaprint too, though. Yeah. But check out my website, glamorless.com. If you like the glitter that I have on, it came from my brand, Glamourlit Cosmetics. It is a gel glitter. So you don't need any primer. Only thing I use was my glitter to put this on in a brush. You don't need primer. You don't need glitter glue, anything like that. You just apply it and let it dry. You may have to do a couple coatings or whatever because it may, because it is just like if you would be putting it on with glitter glue or whatever, it may be kind of patchy, when you first do it. So you got to do it in layers or whatever. You may have to, depending on what brush you use, your technique, I don't know. But yeah, this is in the color Palm. And stay tuned for my palette that I'll be coming out with. They're named the way they're named for a reason. But yeah, this is Palm, P-A-L-M. Check that out on the website. Ooh. Oh, I just put a... Look what I did. No. I don't know if you see that line. Yeah, you can see it. I don't know how I just did that. Oh, trying to fold this line right here. And I think I folded it right there. But it's important for me to fold that line right there, or else it doesn't want to go in here and stay when I'm putting it together. It is so sharp right there, y'all. So sharp. But anyways. So... I'm a perfectionist, so just in case you were wondering. So that bothered me. Still bothers me, but I'm going to move on with my life because it's not that big of a deal. I just have to get over it. But yeah, I cannot wait for everything to come for these gift sets. Like, ugh. Supposed to be here in a day or two or whatever, I guess. But I'm like, come on now. It could have been here quicker than that. You gotta be quicker than that. Seriously, they irritated me. It's getting too close to Christmas. And there is another. That was the last one. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I had to make 5 more. That's all I had left to make. So here they are. And they're still not done. But, you know, since it is crunch time, I'm just trying to get as much done as I can when I can. Because y'all know I be busy. But, yeah, trying to get as much done as I can. So it'll just flow easy. Just pop all the stuff in there. And, doctor it up a little bit more, make it more pretty and more representative of my brand, and they'll be ready to go on the website. Then I'll be taking pictures and putting them on the website. But yeah, look forward to seeing these gift sets on the website. Of course, I will email you about it if you're on my email list, and also make sure that you get on my email list because I give special discounts. You can get first dibs on buying new arrivals and stuff like that. I just keep you up to date and I make you feel special and exclusive because you are if you sign up for the newsletter. And yeah, follow me on Instagram, Glamorous as well, Facebook, all of that stuff, and keep up with what's going on. You don't want to miss anything. But anyway, thank you guys for tuning in. Once again, my name is Ashley. You've been watching Dollars and Cents Online. This is the Fempreneur series, and I will see you all in the next video.